So Alfie's just had a little accident, so it's time for a pedal upgrade on the Voodoo Nzumbi. Brilliant bike. Freeing off fluid each side. We've still got the stickers on there showing each pedal rotates out a different way, so obviously when you're pedaling they self-tighten. So we're using a reasonable quality open-ended spanner rather than a plain stamped out bike spanner, because the better fit you got on this the better, and the more leverage you have the better. So the right hand side is unscrewing anti-clockwise. And the left hand side is unscrewing clockwise. So we went to Halford's. Alfie chose the most expensive pedal there, so we'll just hope that we're getting what we paid for and quality. So it's a nice looking pedal, quality bearings, some nice metal pins for grip, so looks quality. So we're marked left and right, and they do feel proper quality. Bit of grease on the threads, so it's a hex tightening, so no spanner, so I wasn't expecting that. So it's a number 3 on the hex. What do you think of your new pedals then?
Yeah, they seem really nice.